scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Differential equations are simple if you follow these steps. We will solve for y and find the perfect expression right now. First, separate variables by moving y to the left and x to the right. Then, integrate both sides to get the natural log of y equals x cubed. Next, we exponentiate both sides to isolate y. This gives us y equals some constant c times e raised to the power of x cubed. We are almost at the final answer. Finally, plug in the initial condition f of 0 equals 6. This reveals that constant c is 6, making the correct answer choice D. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid sign errors. Trust the given initial conditions to find your constant.